Welcome back. In this video, we'll design the add new contact activity. But before we move to this new activity, I should add a contact array list.clear code, because every time without this line, every time I run the application or add new contacts, there is a duplication of items. So if my database contains 5 items, if I add 1, there should be 6 items. But without this code, without clearing the array list will add 5 plus 1, so it will display 11 items. This is a very important concept. I should mention it. You need to clear the array list that it is created as a local variable and should be cleared every time the data change. Now let's move to add a new contact activity and open the XML file. Here I'll create 2 edit texts, one for the email and one for the name, and one button just to submit the addition. I'll move this layout tag to here, and this constraint layout would be included. Also, the namespaces are moved, and here we go. This is our constraint layout. I'll add 2 edit texts and 1 button. Insert the constraints and drag and drop it to here. Then I'll add another edit text, wrap or match parent. Drag and drop it to here and insert the constraints. Then I'll add another widget, which is a button. And drag and drop it to here and insert the constraints. And this is our layout for add new contact activity. Then I need to add a background for this layout. I'll copy this background image and add it to the resource folder, drawable folder. The constraint background equal to drawable. Also, I need to change the colors for these edit text. Copy these attributes and paste it here in the edit text. As mentioned before, we need to use the data binding in our layouts. So here I'll create data variables, one for the handler for the click event and one as a contact variable. Here I'll start with data variable contact. It's of type com.mastercoding.contacts object. And the other variable named as click handler